Hello, good morning. How's everybody doing? I had to start today's stream a little bit early. I'm so sorry. You won't catch me at the regular 7:50 time. I will be back tomorrow at the regular time. So what's going on? Crypto Live. GGG. Good morning. Take a gummy and chill. Is that what you do, Crypto Live? How many gummies you on, bro? How many boner bears we eat this morning? Atlas Healthline shout out right in the morning. Promo code Ganjagoons get 30% off atlashealthline.com. What's going on, Crypto Life? Nice to see you this morning. You caught me early, so that's very good. Congratulations. How is the market doing? Has anyone checked? It's like, oh my God, every day. It's like, what is happening? What is going to change? What are we getting into? And no one really has any set way or set method. Some things work for some people, some things don't work for some people. Some people like doing daily trading, some people like doing long-term plays. I feel like I fall into the middle of everything and I just get into everything. So it's very Teddy like of me to do. Definitely don't be a Teddy and diversify. This is the goal of the channel. Never be Teddy. Do not be a Teddy. Triple G's. Check DM. Don't read it out loud. The hat is fire. Thank you. Good morning, Triple G fam. Tim PK, what's going on? Suresh83. What's going on? Good morning, Triple G fam. Triple G fam indeed. What's going on, man? The hat is fire. I will read the DM. Let me quickly check before I share my screen. Oh my God, that's hilarious. I read what you sent me, and that is hilarious. Share screen, share window. What's going on, guys? What are we doing today? What are we getting into? What's everybody looking at? I'm looking at Jason Sario having a taco night, bro. This seems legit. I feel like this is the way tacos were meant to be. Come up in aluminum. Oh wait, he went somewhere. I thought this was exactly how he got him. What is this? Like the 12-pack taco pack or something? Tacos. Damn. Fire. Iron looks trader fire. Paul All-Star. Damn. Can we get the Teddy Ruggy dance? Do you remember the Teddy Ruggy dance? Remember that? Two things this way, two things this way, two things this way, two things this way. It's been a long time since we've done the rug. Red Sox, you missed the last night's stream. What happened, Teddy? Why all red? Why all red, Teddy? Oh my God, that's hilarious. Well, let me see. Terrarium. Wait, Terrarium. Unofficial space today at 11. Why is it unofficial? Who's Dr. Crypto? Who is this guy? Oh, dang. He's followed by a lot. The end is near for the bear market. Get in the projects that bottomed out before they rebound. You'll be kicking yourself when the bull market brings all-time highs. Let's go. Terrarium, Meta Monkey, Koa, Combat. All right, so all these guys know each other. Meta Monkey AI. Nice. I just haven't checked. I literally, usually before I even jump on stream, I would have gone through Twitter. So you're literally seeing my morning routine right now. Who's buying Degen Defi? Mary Sativa. What the hell? There's actually someone named Mary Sativa. 7,000 followers. Let's go. Let's grow. Seeds, man. Dang, some of these. I'm gonna be going into like freaking CoinDesk. How we doing? Anything new? It's always first mover Asia. Always first mover Asia. Celsius token price rise back to the market dynamics rather than fundamentals. BTC retreats again. What? The price of the troubled cryptocurrencies has been rising. To many observers, puzzlement. Ether falls. What do you mean puzzlement? There's no puzzlement. We know exactly why Celsius is rising. Get out of here. What is this? Is this made by the people trying to short Celsius? Well, guess what, bro? You're about to get Wall Street bets. um, let me see here. Bitcoin 23. Wait, is Bitcoin still 23.4? Yeah, 23.4. Oh, embarrassing. It was right up here. Ether 1A. Yeah, that's not too bad though. Like, really, come on. Like, would you rather have 23 or would you rather have 19? Well, stop it. I know you guys are trying to invest, but most people are okay with 23.4. I mean, unless you're, daily trading Bitcoin or something and you're trying to pull out 200 every single time. Um, which is crazy because in fees alone, in like most of these exchanges, they take like 100 to $150. Hey, yesterday Hey, yesterday meeting was a negative. Crypto seems down since yesterday. No, it didn't really seem negative. I mean, I would say we're pretty much at the same levels. We're down a 1 or 2% here and there. We got to see what happens in today's market, but we'll see. Gold is going up. 10-year Treasury yield daily close. That's up. Let's see. Bitcoin and Ether fall again. I don't know if it's a true fall, guys. Like, it's not even crashed. It's not even like this feels healthy. I'm getting no. Wait, XRP. Damn it, XRP. Stop it. Biggest gainer. Gala. Oh my God. Yesterday I got out of Galo. I took my 1 cent and 1 cent profit and it walked away. I bought in at 5, sold at 6. So glad I did that because I heard today was not as good for Gala. Celsius, very good. Celsius, short squeeze still. There's no apparent strong reason for growth, analysts say. Powell CEO, Bridge Platform Synapse, told CoinDesk that Celsius tokens previously gained value in July after rumors of blockchain network Ripple and Goldman Sachs wanting to buy Celsius gained traction among crypto participants. This led to a huge speculation on the token and the token price increase as they built some confidence that the company will eventually survive. Usually, short squeezes cause big corrections as they are not organic trades but panic ones, and we can see one right now from $4.60 to $3.10. Stop trying to come in here, man. A short squeeze is a financial market term used to describe the asset's prices moving sharply higher as the market volatility prompts higher leverage traders who bet its price would fall to buy the asset to avoid greater losses. This scenario leads to price increases caused more by market activity than the asset's fundamentals. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's exactly what a short squeeze is. What is the price, Celsius? How we doing? How we doing? Oh my god. I feel so weird. Dude, we're up. We're up. We're up. All right, who bought the dip? Who bought the dip? $2.45. Dude, it really is volatile. It hit what, $4? No, 386 and just steep decline 235. Yeah. And now it's pumping back up. So we got levels. We got levels on this track. All right, let me see. All right, what else did you say, CoinDesk? Anything good? Genesis cutting 20% of its workforce. As CEO Michael, oh, that's definitely not good. Why Bitcoin traders should care about double-digit inflation in UK? What? The Bank of England may raise interest rates more aggressively, which could result in weaker dollar and higher prices in the US. Oh, of course. Of course. It would be weird if they didn't do that. The cost of living surged 10.1% in July. Government report showed Wednesday, providing the first instance of double-digit inflation in a major economy post COVID-19 and presenting a fresh sign of price pressures spreading around the world. The report could bring more urgency to economic discussions among crypto analysts because inflation has underpinned a key Bitcoin market narrative for the what? This is tussle between Federal Reserve and Bank of England policy. None of this makes sense. The flip side is the US dollar would be weaker by comparison. Crypto assets are seen as one of the riskiest asset classes, and Bitcoin traders have paid close attention to the inflation dynamics since at least early 2020. Bitcoin was seen as a hedge against inflation because of its pre-programmed pace of issuance under the original blockchain code. But in practice, actual reports of inflation have prompted central banks to slow down or reverse money printing and tighten monetary conditions to keep economies from running too hot. And that has put a downward pressure on prices for risky assets from stocks to cryptos. So, what is Bitcoin going to go up now that inflation up in the UK? Let's go. Let's grow. Which inflation in the UK is still on the rise? There's going to be some relief with the latest CPI slowdown in the rate of rising prices. The question is whether price increases are truly abating or whether the largest figure was a temporary reprieve. Another possibility is the prices will stay elevated around the current level. We're going to be 23K Bitcoin for quite some time. I believe it. I literally do. The rise in services inflation this year is a clear sign of inflation broadening because becoming self-reinforcing. Okay. And it's been a pattern shared in both economies in the context of tight labor markets. Oh my God. All right, guys, Bitcoin may go up. Who knows? Who knows? Bitcoin mining hardware firm Canaan sees prolonged headwinds after challenging quarter. Wait, does that mean they're still not turning on the miners then? Supercomputing Services can said tougher market conditions will hurt its performance in the coming months after a difficult second quarter. That's the worst. That's literally the worst. CEO Nenjang Zhang described the quarter as a challenging period due to Bitcoin price tumbling below 20,000 in June. Hey, we're at 23.4 now, man. Lockdowns in various cities in China, the lower Bitcoin price will bring prolonged headwinds to our performance in the coming quarters. Yeah. Bitcoin's miners' margins were slashed following a market crash that pulled the world's largest cryptocurrency. Yeah, we already knew that. They have also been facing soaring energy prices in recent months, brought to head by the war in Ukraine. Damn it, war in Ukraine. Looking forward for the coming. Yeah, nothing useful here on CoinDesk. I need CoinDesk. Remember the articles back in the day when they were meaningful? That's what I need again, man. Bitcoin mining hardware firm cash-backed HUSD stablecoin loses peg, drops to another Terra Luna situation here. What's going on? It's trading as low as 89 cents against the USDC stablecoin. Wrecked. We're just gonna find all these stablecoins and we're gonna depeg them all. I'll wait for the crash. Optimism token flash crashes 10% on false rumor of a major attack. Dude, it's like literally anyone can start a rumor and that's it. Your thing's gonna crash because of like FUD. This space is just so naive, you know. Let me see. Oh my God, I'm losing my voice. 1 second. Stay alive, Teddy. Stay alive. All right, we're good. On a messaging platform, Discord, the team clarified that the fund movements were pre-planned Coinbase custody-related transfers to investor wallets. The value of the funds transferred is around 450 million, according to Etherscan data. What? So it wasn't a hack. They just gave it to Coinbase. Guys, it wasn't a hack. We just moved money. Yeah, are we about to see this turn green today? 1.12 trillion. We're still above 1 trillion. Not too bad. I really think we may turn green relatively soon. Let's see. I do see like that upward trend, you know. Yeah, show me the candle chart. Show me the green. Show me the green. You see? You tell me. Show me the green. Here we go. Here's those levels we talk about. Boom, 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 boom. And then take off. Boom, 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 boom. Take off. Boom, 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 boom. Take off. So we just keep getting higher lows, higher highs. Still seems like an upward trend. I mean, gradual increase, right? Like you really, I don't know, guys. Like I would need to see candles like this day over day, like we used to get. Because like it was like, oh, June 8th. Okay, well, the market fell X percentage. And it's like every day it would just go more and more and more. And that wasn't just one occurrence. It was like weeks on weeks on weeks of this, right? You would go 1 week, it would crash a little bit, you'd go a little bit more, it'd consolidate, it's just consistently lower lows, lower highs. It was never a good opportunity to get in, other than for DCing purposes. And now we're here where really, as the week goes on, we see that upward trend, we're seeing that consolidation, and we're seeing an uptrend a little bit more. So I think things are going to change. I think things are going to change, and I don't think it's going to be as bearish as many people have been saying. I feel like someone is driving this crypto market to be successful, and it's obviously not me. I'm not buying any of these dips or debt or anything. I keep hearing we're in a bear market, we're in a recession, but the crypto market just continues to be okay, in my opinion. And we're not here. We're not at 17,000 anymore, right? We're at 23,000 now. How many days of bad do we need in order to go back to where we were? Nope. We're at 64 downtrends, 44 downtrend, 31 downtrend, 24. You know? And I feel like at this level, we're currently not downtrending, because even before, when we were downtrending, you could clearly tell that there were downtrend things. There were little fake outs trying to make it appear like we were coming out of a bear run. But unfortunately, at this level, I don't think it's a fake out. I think it's literally people aren't selling. Most of the paper hands have gotten out, and they're just waiting, you know, and that's okay. That's okay. All right, let's do Reddit cryptocurrency. Haven't been on Reddit in a long time. I know a lot of you guys missed this. Let's see. Announcing cryptocurrency tech, the new RCC dedicated to serious crypto technology discussions. I need that, man. Mark Zuckerberg's metaverse is exactly what I expected, and I'm so happy. Oh, God. Martin Shkreli claims porn virus cost him 450,000 in crypto. The file big round triggered the transfer and caused a 95% collapse of his crypto project. Other suspects was in on the pump and dump. Yeah, I don't know, bro. If this is all that you're looking for, it's pretty easy to find. You don't need to download anything to do it. I mean, it must have been one crazy file, bro. Imagine pumping and dumping in your excuses. I illegally downloaded burning environment. My bad, hosted a crypto project on the same computer that I torrent. Just got out of prison for securities fraud and went a little crazy with the downloads. I don't know, man. I ain't believing this guy. Oh yeah, that was straight down. Hey, they kind of brought it back up after that dip. That's bad. You guys believe him? These scam coins are so out of my hand. My parents are shilling them to me. What? My parents have been chilling me on this ever since wallet holders received a free drop. Since the free drop, the coin has lost 30% of its value. What is this? I heard only criminals use USD, perfect for money laundering because you can remain anonymous. I heard criminals use banks to launder money, yet banks are not blacklisted. Yo, I love this. These trolls, man. The trolls, the trolls. I heard banks can rug pull you if they run out of money. Well, technically, FDIC and all that, so you would be, I think, okay with 250K that you could claim. Yo, Critical Thinker, what's up? What's up? What's up? Those threads sound fake and like soft shells. I know, right? Like that's what I was thinking, dude. Some of these Reddit things, you got to be very, very. Bitcoin Cash is a total shitcoin, and Canada regulators, including this among top 4 coins, while imposing limits on coins, shows how regulators are clueless about crypto. We already knew regulators were clueless about crypto. Have you not seen? They don't. They're okay. Regulators clueless about crypto. Regulators hate cryptocurrency, but they love CBDCs, which is literally the same exact thing, except the regulators can regulate CBDC, but they can't regulate crypto in a truly DeFi situation, right? CBDC, the banking authority, central bank digital currencies, are going to give you, let's say, um, a cryptocurrency that they made, and instead of calling it a cryptocurrency, they call it a CBDC. What happens is they need to give out the CBDC in token form to people, and people need to have a way to spend that CBDC. So what people are saying is they're going to come out with like a food stamp card, like an EBT card, except it's your CBDC card, and when the dollar falls, we're all going to be switched to CBDCs, which is like a combination of cryptocurrency, um, the US dollar, and regulation all in one nice centralized package, right? So what happens with the CBDCs is the conspiracy theorists believe it's a way to regulate us as human beings. It's a way to regulate what you buy. They can watch what you're doing and spy on you. The technology supremacist, the people that love technology see it as a way of bridging the gap between cryptocurrencies and US dollar, and having a way that we can adapt to a new but stable entity called CBDCs, right? The problem comes in is I ain't trusting nobody in a CBDC. You know, if you go, hey, Teddy, I gave you 10 CBDCs, they're in your CBDC card. You just walk around with your CBDC card, you tap it, and then you can purchase any of the approved items. But if it's not approved, you got to pay full price. It's like, wait a second, why are you regular? Like, this CBDC was just supposed to be one CBDC, which is worth 10 US dollars. Now you give me a CBDC, and you're saying that if I purchase an orange Lambo, hey, I'm going to get the orange Lambo with the CBDC at $7. But if you go and you try to purchase the turquoise Lambo and you try to get it, well, guess what? Your $12 won't cover that because it's turquoise one, because they can do that type of regulation, would not be approved, and you would have to pay full price. And now your CBDC, which would work on that approved purchase on the orange Lambo, would not work on the turquoise color Lambo. So it really comes down to, how do you trust a centralized entity ran by the government to issue central bank digital currencies in the form of assets, digital assets to you guys, and you have the ability to go around to all these stores and spend whatever you want? If you buy the right things, they know. If you buy the wrong things, they can reprimand you. They can literally see every single layer of it. It's a combination of regulation, right? That KYC process that the banks already kind of do when they bring you on into the bank, plus the cryptocurrency, you know? And this is why these regulators are really pushing for CBDCs. So as we go into the future, I've already talked to you about, hey, the European Commission is trying to KYC every single DeFi wallet out there if they try to interact with an exchange. And if they set that standard, then we're already getting there. And then slowly, as years progress, they're like, hey, I know you guys love your Bitcoins and this. We came out with this great idea. It's called CBDCs, and it just turns into a whole different can of worms at that point. And it's like, well, is your CBDC quantum safe, bro? uh, if more than 250K, your loss. Yeah, if it's more than 250K, so open a lot of bank accounts and keep them all under 250K and use different countries. Don't just use one country for all your money. Teddy, I feel like Canada is doing that because they are trying to accumulate more, and then when bull run comes, they will lift that restriction and dump on retail. Dude, you feel like Canada's accumulating everything? This is one of the things, especially in our cryptocurrency space. A lot of people ask, we all know we are investors, right? Critical thinker, you're an investor. We buy tokens, we try to make profit. What happens is people come in, they shill our token, it goes up, it goes down. And we can see that. That's healthy. But when in our current state, in our current market, when people come to us and they go, hey, there's this thing, and literally they're cryptocurrencies, but don't buy them because we're in a recession and it's going to crash, right? You hear this from not just one person, you hear this across the board. All the news people, oh, CPI data is coming out, that's why the markets crashed. Oh, inflation report, oh, this and that. Like literally the Fed numbers are going to be the basis points are going up, and it's like, oh my god, when are we going to get to a point where we're not fear mongered into crypto? But what ends up happening is we're the dumb ones. We're the dumb investors that don't have the money to do these kinds of pump and dump schemes, right? Who does have that type of money? Governments. Governments do, guys. Your government has a lot of money. Yes, they're in debt. Many of them are, but they still have money that they use as volume and workflow things. Now, let's assume, as critical thinkers saying, that there's a narrative which is false. The everyone's saying recession, everyone's saying these are the reasons it goes down. But as these days hit, as we go through the CPI data, as we get the Fed releasing its basis points, the market starts to pump, and you don't have the same fall like you used to. You go, wait, why is that, Teddy? Why is the market? It's because I believe, in my opinion, right? Not financial advice. I believe these governments, these entities are buying and causing this fake dump so they can buy up everything, inflate it, and dump on us again. Like, I believe this is how you would leverage yourself in a bear market when you have money like that. You know, you're not buying it, right? You're not buying this. You know it's a recession. I'm not buying it. I know it's a recession. But why are we in a pump? Why are we getting these pumps? Is they're literally making it so we don't fail. Their goal is to make sure we don't fail, and they're doing everything. All these governments, I think they're in cahoots. I know, Teddy, you're a big conspiracy theorist. You're crazy. I am crazy, guys, but it's like nothing else makes sense. Everything we get shilled, we're always told, hey, now's not the time. Hey, the markets are bad. Hey, we're in a recession. Hey, the White House changed the term of recession. We're not in a recession. we are such we are such a small percentage who sees this because we do crypto every day. These government things, they already have it in their mind. They already have it in their timeline. They already know what to do. This isn't the first time. Hey, this is maybe the first time the asset may have changed. Before they must have done gold, before that they did the US dollar, before that they did stocks. Now they're at cryptos. It's the same schemes over and over again, entering these different markets. Shaman says, what's going on? What a mess. You can't. Let me see. My blue chip buys are Maxi. Oh, dude, I used to buy Maxi Sandstorm back when we were still friends. Shilled me Maxi, and I made good money on Maxi, dude. It's auto stakes and comes out. Cryptos I still have. I don't think it's doing well. My Degen plays are PLSS and crypto since it had a FUD dip. Yeah, dude, it had FUD dip. What a mess. You can't. No banks use trust. Yeah, trust. GM. Good morning. Shaman says, what's going on? I love the FOMO thing. Dude, I've been seeing more and more people doing FOMO. Guys, I do have big news for any Ganja Goon Gang NFT holder. I'm doing an AMA tomorrow, 1 p.m. Eastern in the Telegram. I'll record it. I'll send it over to you. And really, it's an Ask Me Anything. There's a lot of FUD out there, a lot of people coming after me, from Sandstorm to Terry to like literally any person that's listening to these guys and just assuming that I'm a horrible human being, I'm out to steal people's money and stuff, and that's just not the type of person I am. I've been silent for a long time because I don't want to give them that satisfaction of look at me, I've ruined their reputation, because that's their goal, right? Their goal is to make themselves feel better by deleting, all the proof, doing whatever they can, but they don't think that I sit here with screenshots of all of our conversations, and they just assume that if they push this narrative, that people will blindly follow them, and that'll only work for so long. So I did make an AMA tomorrow, and literally everything is on the table. You can ask me any question. I will be as truthful as I can. If I have to release certain DMs and text messages to prove the things that I'm going through, because you only hear one side. You only hear the side from Sandstorm. You only hear the side from Terry. No one's ever came up to me, unless you're in my DMs, to be like, Teddy, what's going on with the Ganja Goon NFTs? No one's ever asked me that, right? So I definitely want to make tomorrow like one of the last and final points. My goal is to I will talk about that tomorrow. So yeah, definitely check me out tomorrow if you hold the GGG NFT. Nothing too bad. My goal is always to protect the investors. I have no bad intentions, so I will lay out the full plan there. Just want to make sure you guys are aware of that before I forget. Until grayscale, the grayscale indicator. I still haven't read about it. BTC discount is no longer a thing. We can't go up BTC all was. Wait, what do you mean? Oh yeah, yeah. I remember you with the grayscale and saying that Bitcoin could go down to 11K, right? Definitely 11K before all-time high. If not, wouldn't be able to buy grayscale Bitcoin at 35% cheaper than spot. Dude, Pulsion, you need to freaking DM me and explain and give me a good article that'll explain grayscale to me, dude, because that would help me out. We are the real small percentage who sees. Yeah, we are. Crypto will change all our generation's lives, guys. Dude, it does. Stay strong. Frebruous. Dude, I bought that. Frebruous. I bought that yesterday. And I had a few DMs come in and they're like, Teddy, did you buy this? I also bought this because you bought this. And I'm like, no, this is not what you're supposed to do. I only bought $50 of it. Right. Like I figured this is gonna be a pump and dump and it turned into a whole thing. So we'll see. I don't think it's worth anything right now. Let me see. Yeah, it's not worth that. I literally bought 0.05 of it and it's worth 0.03. Don't be a Teddy, guys. Don't be a Teddy. Long-term crypto going nuclear with gains. Short-term, February pumped hard last night. Yeah, Teddy is not wrong. Why are you all? Why are all my favorite people always fighting? Get back to being friends, you assholes. It's not even fighting, man. The narrative is being changed into protecting themselves from the information that has come out. And they think that deleting Telegram messages, hiding, showing contracts is the proper way. But what's really sad is their goal is nothing but to ruin the reputation of me. And they've had that goal since the beginning. And it's just sad. It's just sad. Thank you, Crypto Life. I appreciate it. I don't think the chance of us being friends again, it's almost slim to none, bro. Like these guys are just way too crazy. They like decent human beings call you up, they explain the situation, they have conversations with people. These types of personalities, they delete stuff, they hide everything that they're doing. They run away, right? And they start saying everyone else, it's everyone else, it's not me. And it's like, what really ticked you off? What was the reason you're upset? And it always ends up being, it's Teddy. Teddy made me upset. It's all Teddy. And it's like, what did I do? Show me what I done. I told people the truth and you got upset. Someone told you on the stream, hey, you're being too loud and this is not the place. And that's it. You go on this freaking tirade. There are times to do things. And like, here is your warm up questions for the AMA. Boxers or briefs? I actually wear boxers. Isn't Terry the one that did the NFT? Yes, Terry is the one that did the NFT. What are you listening to on headphones? Absolutely nothing, Crypto Life. God damn it. It's just a nice feeling. It keeps my ears warm. All right. I got you, man. Thank you. Yeah, I really want to know about Grayscale. Teddy, you were up like 3x last night. I know, bro. What happened? What happened? I don't know when to sell. Always pumps while you sleep. I literally know. Yep. Boxers. Yep. Teddy, you can't wave to the haters in your Lambo and be driving next to you with mine. Dude, the haters are telling people that like I'm like loaded. I have all this crypto money and all my wallets are completely doxed, right? You guys see the plays I get into. I'm like, show me all this money that I have, bro. Show me all this money that I've made. Show me all this money that I'm using to pay mods or like do this or do that. And it's like, what are you guys talking about? So if it comes down to it, depending on where the conversation goes in the AMA tomorrow, I have a lot of proof as well. I have a lot of proof. I am being extorted, right? Someone came in as an artist and now they're claiming to own 50% of the brand. They're claiming to own that it was all their idea. The Ganja Goons was never Teddy's thing, that they came up with it. Well, when they first started working with me, they said they were nothing but the artist. And now it's like, why are you trying to take 50 ETH from me for 500 pictures that you drew or 17 ETH, right? When before you said that this is the art, you're doing this for the community. Why are you showing random contracts about me and the FOMO artist and trying to say that we're taking money from GGG NFTs, which is your own contract address, your own royalty fee, and saying I'm paying other artists? Where's the proof? Never shows any. I have proof. I have things. I am being targeted, and it's unfortunate, but it's not something I just like. I'm like, what the hell? This is it. I'm gonna fire back. I thought about it. I stayed silent. I stayed silent for 2 weeks, and I think tomorrow is gonna be a good day about explaining my side of what happened with the GGG NFTs and where it's going to go and what I'm doing to protect the investors. Because one thing, I still care about the investors. Everyone else that has left and chilled to you and is no longer here doesn't care about you. Hey, come buy Saitama V3, come buy Shinja V3. They don't care about you. Look at those charts now. Hey, come buy these NFTs. They're great. And then, oh, I had a falling out and that's it. Don't buy these NFTs. This guy's a scam artist. This guy did this. Here's a signed contract address. But oh my God, look at all the scams. Can't show proof. You guys got to step back. You know, there's all these things that you hear, but you have to be the smart ones to know, hey, this guy's telling me the truth. This guy's not telling me the truth. This guy has proof to back his statements up. This guy has no proof to back his statements up. And because I've been silent, all you hear is the people that don't have any proof and can't back their statements up, you know? And I hope that tomorrow's AMA for GGG NFTs will definitely help bring some light to the situation. But it should be a situation that should have never been opened up because it makes no sense. How does an artist turn from I drew art for you to you owe me 50 ETH for the 500 images that I drew? What about the investors? What about the rewards we're supposed to give to the investors? Nah, screw it. We'll split it 50-50. Don't even worry about it. the heck are you talking about? You signed a contract. We ain't splitting anything 50-50. Get out of here. The investors matter first. They bought our NFTs because of our utility. Yeah, I remember, dude. This is all. Yep, that'll be very good. Yes, guys, we'll see each other tomorrow. I'm out of here. Had to start the stream early. Um, Teddy, I have a great attorney, top tier. Let me know. Yeah, dude, I've already contacted attorneys as well, and just to make sure that I'm in the clear. I've been given the go ahead that it is clear. Everything I'm saying is accurate. Unless they're truly coming after me or have like a threat on my health, like, oh, Teddy, I'm gonna do this to you or something. Like, I feel completely fine. It's just unfortunate that this narrative is snowballing into something that really shouldn't be, because I'm not in the wrong. I haven't done anything that's gonna hurt anybody, you know. But guys, that is it. I may not be here tonight. It all depends on the schedule of Shibnobi. So I leave you be. I will be back tomorrow, 7:50 a.m. Eastern. No, use mine, please. National and international. 100 years in business. I don't have any reason to use. I literally just want to say my piece and walk away from these guys that are out to hurt my reputation, hurt the brand, or find ways to extort money from me, and I just want to talk about it tomorrow, because I haven't even talked about anything today. So tomorrow's GGG AMA will be very good. All right, guys, I'm out of here. Goodbye until next time.